tour of room 20205 here at the Luxor in Las Vegas, Nevada. So as you come into the bathroom, you do have a pretty big mirror. You have a makeup mirror. If you go over here, you do have your body lotion and hand wash. This is also part of the MGM Resorts collection. You have a very big sink. And then on the right, you have your hair dryer, as well as some tissues. You also have a hand towel here, as well as some electrical outlets and your light switch. Moving further to the left, you have your toilet, trash can, toilet paper, and extra toilet paper there, as well as some extra towels. When we flip around, you have your shower here. You have your shampoo and your body wash. These are also part of the MGM Resorts collection. As we come around this way, you also have your bathtub. You have some towels as well as like the floor mat. As you come in, you do have a full-size mirror here. Pretty big mirror. My sexy shorts. And then as you come in, this is the main room. It has 2 queen-size beds, it says. As you come into the main room on the left, we did put our bags down, but you do have a suitcase rack right here readily available for you, as well as a conjoined room door if you wanted to have access to the room beyond it. So over here in the main room, you do have a pretty big writing desk with your TV, and it looks like a closet over there as well. Over here on the desk, you do have a nice little letter just saying welcome to the Luxor, as well as a copy of the Las Vegas magazine. And then this is a non-smoking room, so that's no smoking or pot smoking. Inside the lamp here, you do have a spot for USB as well as a plug. It's kind of dark, but you do have some drawer space right here in front of the TV. Oh, as well as your safe. You have your safe right here. It's kind of cool that it's in the drawer. And then if you open these up, it's just more drawer space. Right here is the closet. And when we open it up, it is a full-size closet. So you have your ironing board, your iron down there in the corner, as well as some hangers. Moving back around, you do have some nice little armchairs, as well as a little coffee table. The coffee table has some little cups, as well as a thing for your ice. And as we turn around here again, then you have the main room. So you do have 2 queen-size beds. You do have your telephone and your TV controller over here. And then you do have a little mirror over here that you can use as well. Something to note is that the mattress here is not on the bed frame at all. It is pretty late. It's about 8 o'clock right now, 8:30 when we're coming in. So you're not gonna have much of a view from out here. So you're just mainly looking out over the freeway. We'll have to film some of that tomorrow for you guys, so you guys can check it out.
So this is the view from our room. As you can see, you mainly just get the freeway.
So that's gonna do it for our room tour here of the Luxor. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.